Okay, let's try doing it as a 4-star team. What if we do it as the 4-star team? I think it's gonna be a challenge. Okay. Okay. I hope it is a challenge. Let's do it as a complete 4-star team. We are gonna take this guy, Fischl, and this guy. These are all 4-star supports. I need a DPS. Yeah, let's try to do it with supports. So cold. Can we do it with the 4 stars? With only 4 stars? I did it with 5 stars. Now let's try it out. First, I'm gonna launch this thing here. Oh, get me my particles, man. Let's see how much damage does this guy do. Wait. None of my ults are activated yet. Oh no. These suck. These artifacts suck actually. Oh my god. Okay, anyways. Nope. You're not gonna do much damage. But not gonna. Oh my god. Wait. I'll do this. Oh no. So easy. Wait, let's see how much damage I do. Okay. So he ulted maybe. Okay. The damage is pretty low. But we can still kill these guys, I know. Wiz. Oh, where is the misty guy? Oh no. Where is he? Oh, it's over here. Wait, I can like get out of here like this. I'm running physical shingling. We did it. We did the first one. The next one. Maybe I'll make it a YouTube video, okay? So Connect says something. You're gonna be in that. Next one is over here, I think. Yep. Do it like this, then do this. Come here, boys. Fischl, come here. Who do I kill? Anyways, I'm gonna kick this guy's ass first. Okay, now this one. This guy, come here. Yep. Nice. Who was I using as physical DPS again? Oh yeah, this guy, right? It was this girl. Oh, now die. This Shingling is kind of OP with the Dragon's Bane. I'd never used it before. 67 GB upgrade, lol. What's 67 GB upgrade? It's easier. It's easier to do it with 4 stars and 5 stars. I sure remember all of my 5 stars were like half of their HP at this time. Maybe because I didn't use a healer. Yep, over here. Oh, you're playing app. It's a 64 GB upgrade. Really? I didn't see. Ah, bro, I have to upgrade it again. I'll play Apex tomorrow maybe. I'll upgrade it today. I'm not gonna stream though. Not gonna stream Apex anymore. Gonna play Apex Connect sometimes offline. My name is Dr. Jackass. D capital, then JACKASS. Wait, I'll write it down. You can add me. Come, 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 come. Fighting this fox is kind of boring. Not gonna lie. Yeah, sure, I'll do it again. Uh, but you're dead now, Mr. Foxy. Oh, yep, let's go. Next one is over here, I think. Um, come, come, come. Bro, don't take my words out of context. I don't know how will I beat the slimes. Maybe Shingpi can help. I hate this thing. Why does MiHoYo give these guys not their right artifacts? Not artifacts, weapons. How much damage does my sword does? Nothing compared to my this, right? Okay, nice. Ult. I should have taken a frost character. Have now this guy. That. Oh no. Okay, he spawned at the right spot. Maybe I can do this. Maybe. Yep, I did it. That's why I say some few characters in this game are broken, and Fischl is one of them. Oh no. I got stuck. How do I break this? Yep. Good. Oh no, my nothing is on. Nothing is on. Wait, let's see how much damage this girl does. Only 2k. Not bad. None of my characters are doing damage as I want. They are not even moving properly. Okay, next one. You're so easy to do it. Come on. Oh, I don't have a physical character. I always forget this for some reason. Come on. Then or die. None of my characters are, everyone is 100 HP for some reason. Okay, next one. Come here, come here. I need to build my supports, okay? My real game. All my current supports. They do so good damage. Nope. I use Stream. Stream is the best. Origin sucks. Nope, nope, nope. You're not gonna kill my characters. Gilly game. Do you really want to do this? Wait. Can we break this stuff, please? Wait, actually, I can do this. Yep. Now I get points and I'm gonna ult. Then do this thing. Then do this thing. Let's beat this one first, cause this thing is like bothering me. Okay, wait, Diona's ult is charged. Okay, let's go. Bro, these ones are so easy to do. Get my Shingui particles. None of my ults are charged for some reason. Okay, wait, Diona is such a good. I can like spam her ult all the time. Diona is so good. Now die. What should I title my stream? What should I title my YouTube video? Beating it with only 4 stars. It's gonna be a 10-minute video now.